Hey guys, so this is gonna be like the world's quickest vlog. I feel like, don't mind the mess behind me, don't mind my crazy hair and outfit, just got back from the gym. Basically yesterday was my husband's 29th birthday and it fell on a Tuesday. And if you know him, he pretty much lives for Taco Tuesdays, loves tacos, will eat them pretty much every day of the week. So we always either make tacos, well, I make tacos, or we go out to eat on Tuesdays and get Mexican. So because his birthday was on a Tuesday, I decided to have Taco Tuesday at our house. I got cute little decorations. I had a little taco bar, and all of our friends, well, most of our friends and our family came over. So yeah, I got a few little clips, but I forgot to make an intro and an outro yesterday, so here I am now. But anyway, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my friend Sunny's channel, and follow us on Instagram so that you guys can be entered to win a free pair of Apple AirPods, because we're going to be giving those away pretty much any day now, basically when we get together next time. Our schedules have been a little crazy, so we haven't been able to see each other lately. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah. Taco bar tip on how I get it so like finely chopped up and blended well. I just put the meat, and I do just like a pound maybe at a time, and the seasoning, a little bit of water, mix it up, and then put it back in the crock pot. All right, before my mom wraps his gifts, I'm gonna show you guys what I got him. A pair of Nike Shox, which these are like discontinued, they don't make them anymore, so he's gonna be super pumped. I was pumped to find those. He wanted, I don't even know what these are. Oh, those are mine. Okay. This is mine too. I got him a dry fit cotton shirt. Socks he wanted. He wanted like t-shirts, so I got him this cool Hurley blue one, and more socks. This red, white, and blue one, well, it's kind of like gray. And then this one I loved. It was Oakley. Well, it is Oakley, I guess. So cool. And then I got him just some Nordstrom Rack cheaper Nikes that he can wear for work and everything. These are just some Nike slides for the boat. And then this is my favorite thing. I got him this Nike marble shirt, which I think is like the coolest thing ever. So yeah, and then these cute little bags and paper that match. Alright guys, like I said, it was going to be really super quick, but I just wanted to vlog it to remember kind of how cute everything was. And I'm kind of bummed that I didn't vlog while people were here, but it was just kind of busy. So yeah.